Okay, so yes, so it seems कि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी हैं, they are confused, right? They don't know what to do and what is the importance of these exams maybe कि क्यों जरूरी है CET लिखना या NEET लिखना, and that is why they have no plans कि हाँ अभी board exam हो गया, अभी तो बस हम enjoy कर रहे थे. So just that is why we have this meeting actually to tell you about the importance of this exam, especially now since the board exam have cancelled. So you might be enjoying a lot कि board exam cancel हो गया, but right now is not the time to enjoy. Right now is actually the time you have to understand कि board तो cancel हो गया है, but still you have to take the next step forward, right? अगर science से आपको अपना career बनाना है, so still you have to take the next step forward. Still you have to go to the college. And college में जाने के लिए what are the things necessary? What are the exams that you have to write? And how that exam will be, what is the competitive level या उसमें क्या चीज required होगी, that you should know, and you should know now itself because CET का, so if we talk about the admission process has already, the registration process already started. So 15 June the CET is also registration is also started because what we heard, what we got to know is कि बहुत सारे बच्चे तुम में से you are thinking maybe CET will also cancel, maybe NEET will also cancel, but that is not going to happen, right? Because they need to have some mechanism, they need to have some examination through which the admission to colleges will be done, right? So board exam to cancel हो गया, but CET has been finalized for 28 August और उसका registration process has already been started, right, on 15 June. So don't be in a mindset कि अरे सब cancel हो जाएगा, ऐसे ही admission मिल जाएगा. So that is not going to happen, right? The CET NEET exam will happen. It has been delayed, but it is going to happen. So now these are the main career options. अगर आपने science लिया है 11th and 12th में, so these are the main career options that you major main career options that you can directly go to after class 12th, right? Which are based on science. One is engineering, right? तो engineering आप कर सकते हो BTech BE, and engineering if you have to do now, so it will be either through CET or through JEE mains and JEE advanced. If you want to do medical से related कोई भी चीज, whether it is MBBS, whether it is BHMS, homeopathy, Ayurvedic, veterinary, कुछ भी आपको करना है medical side में, medical field से related, then again it is NEET and CET. NEET for MBBS and CET for all the other things, homeopathy, Ayurvedic, veterinary, everything, dental, everything in Karnataka, right? So uske liye bhi you have to give the CET exam. Then other option is you can go for pure sciences. Pure sciences का मतलब क्या है कि आप BSc, MSc कर सकते हैं in physics, in chemistry, in mathematics, in biology. If you are very interested in a particular subject, एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, फिजिक्स में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, बायोलॉजी में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, तो वहां पे आप BSc, MSc कर सकते हैं. पर उसके लिए भी द प्रोसेस रिमेन्स द सेम. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर कर्नाटका कॉलेजेस, तो कर्नाटका में एडमिशन थ्रू CET एग्जाम ही होगा फॉर BSc, MSc. एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर आउटसाइड ऑल ओवर इंडिया कॉलेजेस, तो जो सेंट्रल कॉलेजेस हैं, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के कॉलेजेस हैं, NITs, IITs, ट्रिपल IITs, उसमें इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, देन इट इज थ्रू द JEE एग्जाम, JEE मेंस एंड एडवांस. एग्रीकल्चर, many students are interested in agriculture कि आगे जाके BSc एग्रीकल्चर करना है. So again, for the agriculture exam also you have to write the CET exam, and CET exam से ही there is a different rank for agriculture. ये सारी चीजों का अलग रैंक आता है, इंजीनियरिंग का अलग, एग्रीकल्चर का अलग, then you have dental का अलग, veterinary का अलग, BHMS का अलग, every different rank you have in CET. Armed forces, if you want to join, then the exam is NDA, and NDA ka syllabus is also very similar to, there are some other things like English, but in terms of PCM की अगर बात करें, तो PCM point of view से it is very similar to the syllabus, is very similar to the JEE syllabus or the CET syllabus. राइट. सो बेसिकली द पॉइंट इज कि आपको अगर साइंस बैकग्राउंड में आगे कुछ भी करना है अभी स्टेज पे, तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू राइट CET एंड NEET एग्जाम. यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर. अभी बच्चों का माइंडसेट ऐसा हो गया है कि दे आर मोस्टली इग्नोरिंग, दे आर थिंकिंग कि ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, या अभी तो रिलैक्स करते हैं, अभी तो लॉकडाउन है, अभी तो कोई एग्जाम नहीं होगा. बट यू हैव टू रियलाइज दैट यू ओनली हैव अराउंड 2 months नाउ, एंड बाद में आपको कुछ भी करना है, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू दीज एग्जाम्स ओनली. दैट इज द ओनली वे, right? Now the examination pattern, if you talk about these main exams CET and NEET का, so CET में for every subject, हर subject का अलग exam होगा. Chemistry, math, biology, for every subject you have 70 minutes and you have 60 questions, right? So look at the amount of time that is there. Board exams में आपको आदत है subjective test देने की, आदत है. Subjective test में you have 3 hours and you have around 25-30 questions, उसमें भी choices होता है, right? यहाँ पे you have per subject 70 minutes and 60 questions, right? So that is the time management, and that is the level of speed you require. plus it same is NEET में भी you have 180 questions and 180 minutes, so every minute में you have to solve a single you have to solve one question, and there is a negative marking also. So basically having this kind of speed, having this kind of time management is not easy, right? This is not something जो आप बचपन से करते हुए आ रहे हैं. So that is why this is where we come into the picture, and this is where through the crash course we tell you ki how to manage your time during the test, how to solve so many number of questions in a given amount of time, right? For most of the questions you don't even have to solve the question completely. You can just see the options देख के आप eliminate कर सकते हो, right? You can just see the dimensions and you can see what will be the answer. You can have short tricks and techniques that you can use to basically minimize time and get to the right answer without even solving. So all these tricks, all these techniques, how to solve the question fast, how to manage the time in a CET exam or a NEET exam, these kind of things, that is what the crash course is for, right? And now, as you all know, the second PUC exams have been cancelled. So if you look at the जो announcement किया है Karnataka government में, the announcement is pretty clear. So all the admissions that will happen now for engineering medical colleges in Karnataka will be completely through the CET NEET performance. पहले it was 50%, 50%, right? 50% through boards, 50% through CET. ठीक है? So for most of the seats, boards का marks भी count होता था, and students do well in boards. So even if they don't do well in CET, NEET, तो भी they get some college, right? But now that you don't have that boards वाला question, right? So now it is just CET or nothing, right? तो वो वाली चीज हो गई है. So now since the competition is huge and क्योंकि सब कुछ CET पे या NEET exam के performance पे ही based है, so you need to be really really serious about it, right? क्योंकि बाकी बच्चे जो हैं they are being serious about it, right? So unless you are also serious, you will definitely lag behind. And there is no board exams जिसमें आप अच्छा करके compensate कर सकते हो. Now it is just CET or NEET or nothing. That is the difference now. Now this is where we come into picture and we tell you ki what is our crash course and what we'll be doing in our crash course. First, we'll tell you about ourselves, about Synergy, right? And what we do in Synergy, what have been our results, and based on the experience and based on the results we have, how can we help you to achieve similar results or very good results as per your expectations in these CET NEET exams. तो ये रिजल्ट आप देख पा रहे होंगे. दिस इज अ रिजल्ट फॉर जेई लास्ट ईयर. दिस इज जेई मेंस लास्ट ईयर्स रिजल्ट. दिस जेई मेंस लास्ट ईयर्स रिजल्ट. So last year we had rank 1 and rank 2 in the entire Belgaum district. So 99.31 percentile and 98.81 percentile. Two of our students who are studying with us, they got this rank, this percentile in JEE Mains. Similarly, this year also, again, for the second year continuously, we have rank 1 and rank 2 in the entire Belgaum district. So 99.67 percentile and 99.54 percentile. This is the performance of our students in JEE Mains this year, right? Similarly, in other exams also, if we talk about NEET exams, maybe if you can see last year NEET exams, so two of our students scored more than 520, which is a pretty good score. So if you score more than 500, then there is a good chance that you can get a good government medical college, right? Because if you look for private colleges, अभी यहाँ पे private colleges भी होते हैं, right? It's not like कि CET NEET का exam में आपको बहुत अच्छा करना पड़ेगा and then you get a seat. Those students who do not get good rank in CET, those who do not get good marks in NEET, what option they have? Then there are other exams like COMEDK. आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, right? So there are other exams like COMEDK. But what is the difference, right? You might say कि अरे मुझे CET के लिए करने की क्या जरूरत है? मैं COMEDK से भी जा सकता हूँ या मैं कम मार्क्स देके भी जो है अप्रोच करके कॉलेज को I can take an admission. But the difference is for the same seat, for the same engineering or for the same medical seat, if you are going through COMEDK, you have to give 3 times the fees, right? Same seat जो आपको CET में 50,000 में मिलेगा, वही सीट आपको COMEDK में 1.5 lakh में मिलेगा. Same seat, 3 times the fees, right? Just because it is a private exam. Same चीज medical colleges में भी होता है, right? Even if you have below par NEET score अगर आपका अच्छा नहीं आया, you will not get government medical college. You can still get private medical college, but private medical college, as you will know, they are demanding huge fees. They demand huge donations, right? So if you want to spend in lakhs, right, then so maybe you can get some private college without much effort, right? But अगर आपको same seat available है at very very minimal fees, then you have to put that much amount of effort, right? So if you do well in CET, if you do well in NEET, you can get that much, the same seat, the same government college ka seat, which is a very good government college, especially if you talk about medical 500 plus may 500 plus score may you get good uh, government medical colleges which have very, very, very less fees compared to private colleges, and even the quality is better. Even the quality is better since they are government funded, right? So this is our performance जैसे आप देख पा रहे होंगे. So 500 से plus score is a good score in NEET. So two of our students got very good score, 577 and 524. They are studying in government medical colleges here in Karnataka. Even CET का अगर आप देखें, so नीचे CET का results you can see. So the best rank we had last year was 254. So one of our students got 254 in Karnataka CET in the entire state, and 5 students were in the top 1500. So top 1500 may we had 5 students in Karnataka, right, in the CET. Okay, so these are the results that we have been producing continuously, and the reason we have been producing these results continuously, itna acha compared to the entire Belgaum district, is these are things that we do separate compared to the other institutes. बहुत सारे और भी institute है, but what separates us from them and why our students are able to regularly perform this good is, first of all, individual attention, right? So we focus on a lot on individual attention. Batch में 30 students है, 40 students है, so we give equal attention to every single student, right, based on the student's potential and target. Next thing is technology. So technology के लिए we have our own app, and we will be quickly showing you about the app, and you will be also using this app abhi jab aap if you join the crash course hai. So this technology, we have our own app. We conduct all the tests on this app. We have the facility of recorded videos on this app. अगर आपका there are online classes going on, तो अगर आपका कोई भी class miss हो गया, there was some internet connection, there was some power issue, some any other issue because of which you lost the which you could not attend the class. So every day the recorded video of that class will be uploaded, and आप कभी भी app पे जाके you can watch this even for revision. So all the videos for every single class will be there on the app. Plus tests. So बहुत सारे जो tests आप देंगे, they will be online. So we will also be conducting online tests through our app, right? And there will be a detailed report which will show you. So this technology integration that we do also helps us, also helps the student even ऐसे time में भी जब online classes हो रहा है, तब definitely it makes the learning more effective. Faculty, we will talk about the faculty. We have very experienced and knowledgeable faculty from top premier institutes, right? And personalized tests, right? Personalized tests, that means we have different tests for CET, NEET, JEE, main, JEE, advanced for every subject, right? So these are things that we do continuously, and these are things which have been giving us the results. Now, this is just a picture of the test reports. So this will show you abhi test reports, and so quickly we will first introduce the faculty, and uske baad we will tell about the app as well as the crash course details. Okay, so this is myself, as you can see on the screen. So I've done BTech in mechanical engineering from IIT Delhi. I graduated in 2016, and I teach physics. So I'll be teaching you physics in the crash course, and I have 4 years experience teaching for all these competitive exams: JEE, NEET, Karnataka CET, and all these exams.
Hi students, this is Shashwat. I did my BTech in civil engineering from NIT Delhi, and I have also been teaching in Belgaum since last 4 years for same JEE, CET, NEET, and all such exams. I teach maths over here. Okay.
Yes, sir. We have Rahul sir also with us.
Hi guys, I'm Rahul Mandal. I have done my BTech and MTech from NIT Rourkela in the branch of electrical engineering. I've been here with these guys for the past 2.5 years, and I'll also be teaching you maths along with Shastra sir.
Okay. All right. So now this is regarding the synergy about our results, about our faculty, about what we do, and how we are able to produce these results. Now, what is there in store for you, right? What is there in store for you? Since many of you will be wanting to know about CET and NEET. कि अरे इतना important exam है, तो हम क्या करें? हमें क्या crash course में क्या होगा? So crash course का details you might already have got this details, but we will quickly go through it again, and उसके बाद अगर आपके कुछ doubts हैं, then you can ask. So our crash course classes will start on Monday. So 21st June ko Monday ko it is starting, and it will be online. So the classes will be online as of now, right? And we will have 4 hours of classes per day. So we'll have 2 subjects every day. So physics, chemistry, math, something like this, right? So two classes of 2 hours each. That means 4 hours of classes will be there every day. And we'll be covering the entire PUC1 and PUC2 syllabus, right? So पूरा जो होगा PCM का या पूरा जो है PCB का, everything 11th and 12th का, whatever is there in the NEET syllabus and CET syllabus, everything will be covered. Plus, after the completion of the syllabus, we will also be conducting full syllabus test, क्योंकि it is very important. और आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने, you might not have given any CET NEET test 11th and 12th में, so it is very important कि आप CET NEET test दें. Only then you get to know कि how to do time management, how to what kind of speed is required, what kind of questions come. So we'll be conducting 6 tests for CET and 6 tests for NEET, exactly on the CET NEET pattern, right? ये होगा. This test will be on the Synergy app, and test देते ही you will get a detailed report. We will show you the report, a sample report, and you will get that kind of detailed report. Every subject में how much time you spent, what are the mistakes you did, right? What was the accuracy, what was your attempt rate, सारा detailed report आपको हर test का मिलेगा. Then in terms of study material, we'll also be giving you study material. So you will get 2 kind of study material. One will be chapter wise notes. So that chapter wise notes you will be getting through the Synergy app. So Synergy app mein your account will be created, and your account will be created. Usme there will be PDF already uploaded for class wise notes. So anytime you want to revise any chapter, you can go there and read those notes. And in those notes there are also solved examples. So solved examples also you can see, right? Other than that, there are chapter wise question banks that also will be giving. So this will be providing hard copy also. So हर subject का you will be getting a big book, physics का, chemistry का, maths का, या NEET if you are taking up the physics का, chemistry का, biology का, you will be getting a big book which will have a summary of the chapter as well as question bank. हर chapter का you will have a lot of questions that we will do in class also, and that will be there for you to practice at home also, right? So this kind of book you will get for every subject, physics as well as chemistry as well as maths, yeah, physics, chemistry, bio if you're taking up. So it will be running for 40 days, right? So we are starting June 21st. We'll be finishing by July end. At least the classes will be finishing by July end, and after that we will be continuing with the test, because CET exam is on 28th August, and after the completion of the syllabus, we'll be conducting, as we said, 6 full syllabus tests. So once every 2 or 3 days there will be tests. For NEET, right now the date is August 1st. Right now the date is August 1st. It might get delayed a little bit. August end तक या September 1st week ऐसा हो सकता है. Even if it is August 1st, even if the date is August 1st, even then we will complete the syllabus before that, right? So July last week में ही will be finishing our portion. So faculty details you can see, and now other than that you might already know principal ma'am and Abhilasha ma'am ने already आपको बताया होगा, there is a extra discount especially for KLS students. So since we are tied up, since we have a tie up with KLS, so that is why there is an extra discount especially for the KLS students. So actual fees is 12,500 for the crash course, including everything. So that is the fees, 12,500. Usme you get study material, tests, app access, but there is a 2,500 discount for the KLS students, right? So आपके लिए जो total fees है, that is only 10,000. 10,000 में you get access to everything that we just discussed now, right? So quickly we'll also show you the app, right? We'll just quickly show you the app, and then if you have any questions, we can take any questions अगर आपके कोई भी questions या doubt है regarding the crash course. So this is how the app looks. ये तो web version है. This is web version. This I'm opening on laptop, but when you open on the phone, it will look very similar. So for example, this is a class 11th ka batch. A similar batch will be created for you, and all of you will be added here. So everyone will have an account on this on the Synergy app, right? And you'll be added to the batch. Now, what are the options? What are the features जो आपको app में मिलेंगे? सबसे पहली जो चीज है, that is videos. सबसे जो पहली चीज है, that is video. So, for example, if you click on videos here, now as we discussed कि हर class का every day हर क्लास का whatever class takes place, उसका class lecture will be recording, right, and will be putting here on the app, right? तो अगर आपका कोई भी किसी भी रीजन की वजह से in case you miss any class, then you can log into the app and you can click on the videos, and there यहाँ पे there will be subject wise folders: physics, chemistry, maths, biology, right? So it is a little slow right now internet की वजह से, but यहाँ पे that is the option, that is videos का option is there, that videos, every class का recorded video will be uploaded here. The next thing is study material. So study material you will be getting hard copy also. जो question bank की जैसे हमने बात की, that you will get hard copy also. Plus study material will also be uploaded here, right? तो यहाँ से भी आप study material access कर सकते हैं. So for example, this is the videos. This is the video section, right? This is the video section: mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, right? So all videos are here, right? सारे videos uploaded हैं. So this is for class 11. So for example, physics, fluid mechanics. This is 15 June class lecture, 13 June class lecture. So every day for you also it will be uploaded like this. Now next thing is study material. So as soon as you click on study material, you might see a link here. तो यहाँ पे you just have to click on this link, and सारा जो study material होगा वो online आपको app के through भी you will be getting access here. So physics, chemistry, maths, biology, you can see the folders here, and every subject there is a study material also. Right. After that, the next thing is tests, right? So later, as we discussed, after syllabus completion, we'll be conducting tests, और test जो होगा ये सारा app के through होगा. So now these are many of the tests that we have conducted for class 11th, and you can just see this was a JEE test, for example, and a sample report. I'll just show you. So this is a report, for example, for one of our students. So when you also give the test, CET test or NEET test, anything, you will also get a report like this. So you can see how many marks, how much is the accuracy, how much correct questions, how much incorrect questions, right? Then sectional summary also, how much time was given to physics, how many marks in physics, how much is the accuracy in physics, chemistry, how much marks, how much time, how much accuracy, maths, how much marks, how much time, how much accuracy, anything you can see. Then you can see the comparison, batch के साथ comparison, what was the topper का score, what was the average score, right? What was the topper का accuracy, what was my accuracy. So you can compare everything, right? So this kind of detailed report analysis आपको मिलेगा for every test that you give. So all these features are there in the Synergy app, right? So you just have to download it. आपके phone में Android phone में बस आपको download करना है, and you will get all these apps. Okay, so this is regarding the app. All right. So fine. This is the basic details of the crash course, as well as the app features and about Synergy. Students, if you have any questions, कोई भी आपके questions हैं दिमाग में crash course related या कोई भी चीज से related, then you can ask, and we are here to clear all your doubts right now. If you have any doubts, you can just unmute yourself. Left में option है unmute करने का, वहाँ पे left bottom पे you can see. So unmute करके you can speak if you have any doubt. Okay, Deepak is asking the fees. Deepak, fees as we just discussed for KLS students, there is a so all of you are, I'm guessing, are KLS students. So for KLS students, there is an extra discount since we have a tie-up with KLS. So the actual fees is 12,500 for the crash course, but there is a 2,500 discount for KLS students, right? तो आप लोगों के लिए जो total fees है that is 10,000. 10,000 में everything, study material, app access, test, everything is included. 10,000 total fees. Okay, any other doubt? Everything's clear, no other doubt?
Okay, fine. So if you do not want to ask anything, we should just add one more point. why this crash course is the best chance for you to go to your dream colleges. ठीक है. Because the board exams have already been cancelled, and board exams के लिए the preparation was your whole out of the year preparation. आप पूरे साल भर prepare करते थे, and then on the very day of examination you have to go for the examination on 6 particular days, और 6 अलग अलग दिन में ऐसा हो सकता था कि when you're writing the physics का exam or writing the chemistry का exam on one particular day, तो वहां पर exam अच्छा ना जाए. ठीक है. So एक वो चीज that writing skills are not very much required for CET. यहाँ पर objective based test होगा, and the test just require कि आप कितना जल्दी कितना fast questions कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. The next part is the syllabus has been reduced. ठीक है. This is not going to happen in next few years because of the COVID situation. जो actual syllabus था उसमें छोटे छोटे parts remove कर दिए गए. ठीक है. Suppose if I give you an example, physics में cyclotron they have removed, maths में Bernoulli trials of binomial theorem, whole chapter they have removed. ठीक है. तो syllabus जो actual syllabus CET का है उससे थोड़ा सा कम syllabus हो गया इस बार. ठीक है. And still because of the lack of awareness in Belgaum and in other places, लोगों ने अभी शुरू नहीं किया है प्लान करना कि कौन सा कॉलेज उनका ड्रीम कॉलेज है, एंड विच एग्जाम्स आर दे प्लानिंग टू गिव. ठीक है. सो यू कैन हैव द हेड स्टार्ट. आप बाकियों के कंपैरिजन में जल्दी शुरू कर सकते हो एक चीज, एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट चांस बिकॉज द सिलेबस हैज बीन रिड्यूस्ड. अगले साल ऐसा नहीं होगा. देयर विल नॉट बी एनी कोविड वेव और समथिंग. देयर विल नॉट बी एनी स्क्रैप बोर्ड एग्जाम्स और समथिंग. सोनली जो आपका रिजल्ट है दैट विल बी डिसाइडेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट. ठीक है. सो आई होप कि इनिशियली when Abhinav sir asked, around 6-7 participants were there. I should just inquire once more. Now, how many of you are planning to opt or give CET ka exam, CET or NEET ka exam, or engineering or medical stream? Knowing that कि बोर्ड एग्जाम्स का कोई वैल्यू बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, इनफैक्ट एग्जाम्स ही स्क्रैप हो गए तो उनकी तो वैल्यू नहीं है. ठीक है. सो इज देयर एनी चेंज इन योर थॉट प्रोसेस नाउ? Okay, Deepak. Those who have raised their hands before, they also raise their hand. और किसी को because of the information we provided, जितनी चीजें अभी बताई सर ने, वो सारी चीजें सुन करके now they have decided, and now they are in the process of deciding कि ठीक है भाई, we shall think about it. That is important for us. That is important for our future, and this is the best chance. ठीक है. Okay. So कुछ लोगों ने सोचा है. Okay. फाइन. ठीक है. जोसेफ, हाँ जोसेफ ने सोचा है. ठीक है. सो वी आर हैप्पी कि एटलीस्ट कुछ लोगों का थॉट प्रोसेस भी चेंज्ड, एंड वी आर हेल्पफुल कि हमने कोई. ओके, प्रवीण खाना बोल. ठीक है. सो डिटेल्स आर देयर इन योर ग्रुप, एंड हाँ यू कैन ऑलवेज कॉन्टैक्ट अस. आप ऐसा मत सोचो कि जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ एग्जामिनेशंस यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट अस. आप ऐसे भी रिगार्डिंग व्हाट फ्यूचर एग्जाम्स यू शैल गिव फॉर choosing this and that stream, अगर ये चीजें भी आप कभी पूछना चाहोगे, apart from the counseling part, we are ready to help. ठीक है. Okay.
Okay, students. So anytime you have any doubts, right? Anytime. अभी तो कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है, but हाँ later also if you want, you have our contact number, जैसा सर ने बोला. And so you can call on that contact number and ask regarding anything. कोई भी चीज आपको पूछनी है, कोई भी डाउट है, not just regarding crash course and not just regarding CET NEET, कोई भी चीज आप पूछ सकते हैं. And those who are asking for regarding admission process, so admissions के लिए those who are interested, again you can just call on the number. You can call on the number जो वहाँ पे given है, या you can also tell principal ma'am or Abhilasha ma'am. Right, they will inform us, right? Yeah, you can directly call us on the number that is provided there, and we will help you out. We'll tell you what is the admission process and everything. Okay, fine. All right, ठीक है students, if there are no other questions, we will end the meeting for today. आज के लिए यहीं end करेंगे, and again you can call us anytime and call up and ask for any kind of advice or regarding admissions also. All right. Okay, so good luck to all the students, and goodbye, and good luck for all your future ambitions, right? And we hope to help you as much as we can. Okay, all right, bye bye. That is all we have for this meeting today.